Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to restrict editing in word filling in forms. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take up paragraphs. Now we want to restrict this document editing word with from. Go to the file menu, then click the protect document option, then select the resting editing, then check mark on the formatting restriction, editing restriction, then select the everyone, then click the yes option, then password set. Then click OK. Now we can see we not editing this file but filling forms or see this file. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.